In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable Fast Startup in Windows 11. Fast Startup is a feature that helps your computer boot up more quickly after a shutdown by saving some system information to a file. It's kind of a mix between shutting down and hibernating. For many people, it speeds up startup times, but in some cases, it can cause issues with dual boot setups, certain drivers, or external devices. So knowing how to turn it on or off is really useful. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, move your mouse down to the Start button on your taskbar and click it. In the Start menu, type Control Panel into the search bar. When you see Control Panel appear in the results, click it to open. Inside the Control Panel window, make sure the View By option in the upper right is set to either large icons or small icons so that you can easily see all the items. Then look for Power Options and click on it. In Power Options, you'll see your current power plans, but what we need is on the left side of the window. Click the link that says, Choose what the power buttons do. This will open a page with settings related to what happens when you press the power button or close the lid, and also includes the Fast Startup option. At the top of this page, some options may be grayed out and not editable yet. To change them, click the text link that says, Change settings that are currently unavailable. If Windows asks for permission or an administrator confirmation, approve it so you can continue. Now scroll down to the section labeled Shutdown Settings. Here you'll see a checkbox for Turn on Fast Startup, recommended. If you want to enable Fast Startup, make sure this box is checked. If you want to disable Fast Startup, clear the check mark so the box is empty. Once you've made your choice, click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the window. Your new setting will take effect the next time you shut down and start up your computer. If you notice any issues after turning Fast Startup on, like devices not initializing properly after a shutdown, you can come back to the same screen and turn it off again. And if your system feels slow to start, try enabling it and see if it improves your boot time. That's all you need to do to enable or disable Fast Startup in Windows 11.